So welcome again. This is another video of turning hexagonal cap. Okay. So here I will activate this operation. Here you can see two operations: operation OD outer diameter and operation inner diameter. Okay. So I will click this and then go to actions and then click simulate the phasing strategy, then profile strategy, profile 1, profile 2, then deep drilling, then contour operation, then next contour operation, and parting. Yeah, so that was about the operation OD. Then the operation ID. So I will activate this operation ID and then go to actions and simulate this. So deep drilling profile, then threading. Okay, so that was about another example, operation OD and various strategies, and operation ID and various strategies.